this entire equation by the coefficient of the second, which is 3, and multiply all of this by the coefficient of this one, which is 4. Good. So suppose we multiply this entire equation by 3, we should get 4x times 3, which is 12x. Stick the minus. 10 times 3 is 30y. 15 times 3 is 45. Good. Now same the set 2. Multiply all of these by 4, you should get 3x times 4, 12x. Stick the plus sign. 4 times 4, 16y. 10 times 4, nice and easy, is a 40. And at this stage, we just want to subtract like the other one. Nope. And because 12x are matching, we can instantly eliminate them. And once we subtract, so we know 0 here. Now this part where it gets a bit tricky, so you need to make sure you know how to deal with your positive and negative signs really well. Okay, so here we have minus 30 minus plus 16. What this really means is just minus 30 and you minus another 16. So from negative 30 you're going to go back 16 again. So your number 13, you go back by 16, you should end up at minus 46. Why? So you're going backwards. Okay, you just go think of it as adding twice and sticking a negative in front. That's one way I look at it. Okay, but this might be more better to remember it like that. And now here, 45 take away 40, you just get 5. And lastly, you know, yes, it does look quite ugly, but it is possible to get solutions in this form. So once again, separate minus 46, you want to divide it across. So this means that y equals minus 5 over 46. And that's it. We found y. And once again, if you want to find x, we're going to do the same thing and substitute this value into an easy one. This, instead of the second equation, I think, let me have a think. Yep, I'm going to use the first equation. Why? Because when you got negative there, negative times a negative will make it a positive equation. And I'd prefer to see a positive. I think everybody else here would too. Okay, so let's just drop this out. So you got minus 5 over 46, you know, guys, this is not so bad. You know, with more practice, trust me, it becomes dead easy. Okay, so let's use the first equation. So we're going to 4x minus 10, substitute minus 5 over 46 equals 15. So let's multiply this across. So first is 4x. Now, we just have to be careful here. So first we got minus 10 times minus 5 is plus 50. 50 divided by 46, well, we can just say 50 over 46 here. And this side would equal the right hand side, which is 50. Okay, so, see, it doesn't look too easy now, does it? You know, I'm going to avoid using a calculator here because chances are this could possibly come up. And I'd rather you know how to do this. Actually, you know what? This would probably never come in a non-calculator test. If it does, well, we have to refer back to my fraction videos. Let's practice using a Casio calculator for your calculator test. Okay, so let's jump straight to it. So firstly, to find x, we should subtract this across 50 over 46 and divide it by 4. So what we're saying is 15 take away 50 over 46 all over 4. So 80 over 23. And that's it. You know, we're done. These are the coordinates for the second part. And yes, it doesn't look as nice as whole numbers, but that does happen in maths. Okay, so to write neatly, our coordinates is 80 over 23. And our y coordinate was minus 5 over 46. Thanks, guys. You know, I hope this video helped, and leave a comment below, and if you have any questions or any particular examples, just let me know.